Check, check, mic check. All right, cool. Yeah, false alarm. I did not die, turns out. All is well. All right, where was I? Man, lost all my fucking context. So that's very cool. All right. Oh, yeah, I think actually we were about to test this. Okay, so go through, look at the mod that's at the current sort order. If they are the same, then do that and break. If not, continue. And then if not, yeah, so another index against everything in the filtered list. And then when you're done there, do it again. Okay. And just populate filtered list. Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's see. What's up, Ruby? I know, right? I fucking lived. I did it. Insane. But glad to have made it out. Yeah, it was like at somebody's house. I'm in an apartment building, so someone did something stupid. But it's fine now. I've moved to yet another project. This time it's a new Pokemon region, no crossover, just a reason. Can't wait to hear more about this. All right. List index is uninitialized. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. All right. It should just, okay. Oh, interesting. It only does it for the first one? Weird. Okay. Why is that? Oh, even worse. Uh-oh. Christ. Huh, okay. The number should stay the same, though. I don't quite understand. Yeah, Arbok is in there. And then who's next? Actually, hold on. Isn't it Abra? Yeah, Abra should be first, actually. List index starts at 0. Okay, and then it should be looking at the next mon. Why don't you work? Oh, I wonder. Populate list after sort. Okay, let's see. Reset filtered list? Is that it? No. Or actually, Okay, let's try that actually. Yeah, let's just try resetting it. Okay. I hope it survives, I guess. I won't be able to join in VC for now. Have fun. Okay. Oh, nope, that did not work at all. Okay. Okay, I want to look at the first mon in sort order, which is that one. And then filtered list temp is... Actually, how do I know that worked? I need to... Yeah, let's see. Filtered mon is and then get species name. Get the species name from whoever is at current. And it should be the first mon in alpha sort, which should be... I actually don't know who it is, but we'll see. Oh, no. That should be S. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Oh, it doesn't run it at all? Do I never get down there? Sort list. Why don't you run it all? Yeah, it should run. Change sort and reload. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Does it not even get here? That's very strange. What would stop it from getting here? Residio dex count. As long as it's less than that, and then increment after every single one. Oh, this never runs, probably. Oh, interesting. Okay, wonder why it let me compile that, actually. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Why did it run so many times? It ran like 20 times. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. Okay. It's going through them. Why did it crash? I don't know. Okay, filtering the existing list works, but it's not ideal. And then I want to sort by filtered mon is okay. Okay, it's sort of working. Oh, okay. I can see why that would crash. But it is running. Oh. Let me think. Yeah, this is hard. It's probably not hard. I'm probably definitely overthinking it. I wish I could see the contents of... I mean, I can just print it. If current... Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, we're going to get rid of that for now. If I do it without printing, how much faster is it? Probably much, right? Nope, still crashes. Just crashes faster. Okay. Why do you crash though? Okay. Should this be... No, that doesn't make a difference. Okay, so it should be 16, right? For filtered list temp 1? Yeah, okay. Filtered list temp. Okay. That should be 16. Let's see what happens. Yes, okay, cool. And... oh, so it does work. Okay. If a value is in temp and in... okay. So if this... then you put it in that one. Where could it be crashing? Okay, I just need more of them, I guess. Okay. Sort. Okay. Current is... and then this is current. Okay. And then checking current against slot that. Current U against, which is in slot. Okay. Current, and then filtered list temp, another index, and then this is another index. Okay. Checking 824 against... oh, are those Residio numbers? Is that why? No. Got it. No. 824. Okay. Should it just tell me about matches? Okay. That's Abra. Yeah, okay. Then that's Archlodon. Yeah, so that's a match. Okay. So what is the problem here? Okay. So the problem is probably near when it gets near the end, I guess. Which is... and they're the same size. Okay. And then the species index goes to the next one, right? Which is used. Yeah. If there's a match, then set it, then break out and go to the next one, which it seems to be doing. Takes forever. And then if current is 0, maybe that's what I need to do. If current is species none, then we're done, right? Break. If current is species none, then I got my hello, Wakeon, what's up? The send out Celebi, you hit him with Icing. Fuck yeah. Get him. Nice. Okay, so it sounds like you are you're getting there in Gen 3, and it's only been a day, so that's progress for sure. Also, that can't be your first one ever. That has to be your first one in Gen 3, I assume. Okay, current species, not just in general. Oh, that's fascinating. Well, congrats either way. Okay, if that... Hey, hold on. For some reason, I just never picked all whenever I had Pokemon. It's impressive that you got as high as you did without ever making a prediction. I'm not going to lie. Like, very impressive. But yeah, I think the ability to predict is going to be huge for your growth. Okay, so current species is none. So then you do this automatically, and then, okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. When did he admit that? I mean, Wolfie admitted he sucks at predictions, don't he? Although I feel like it matters more in singles than doubles, probably. In his Worlds 2024 video, I think he was talking about a specific case. Like, I think Wolfie is one of the best people in Pokemon to be able to predict. Like, he makes some incredible soul reads on a regular basis. Maybe I misremembered. Huh. Now I gotta go back and rewatch it. But that, yeah, that is a belief I have held for a long time, that he is naturally gifted at knowing in his soul what I'm about to fucking do. Even though one time I spammed it, range just fundamentally just assume I just assumed my Scarf Golden Goat bulk investment could survive an earthquake from a bulky Lando. And it just worked. I mean, if it just works, yeah, like, what do I know? I still lost that game horribly. Yeah, womp womp. Alright, let's see. Because he said the strategy he likes is the game already isn't the pace he wants, so he doesn't go as planned. He's all wrong. Yeah, I think it's like, but both can be true. Like, he wants to play from the front and doesn't want to play from behind where he has to make a prediction. He wants people in his ant lion trap from the jump. Yeah, 100%. That makes sense. I was expecting agility, calm mind, iron crown. Oof. Oh, you're back in Gen 9? Iron crown. Help me out here. Oh, in the Golden Go game you're talking about. Got it. Oh, and then you got bodied by that. Okay, I understand now. Still goofy shit in Gen 3. Yeah, 100%. It's goofy shit in every meta. Okay. Why did you crash? Checking 34 against 34. That's true. Who is 634 actually? 630. Oh, whoops. Zoelius. Oh, so it gets to the end, and then what does it do? Oh, so it does work. Like I auto lost to Curse on Alex because I didn't immediately boom on it with TV Metacurse. I thought my opponent would simply go to Gengar and that. I had to stat Zakos Metacurse. Oof. Yeah. And I guess, yeah, your growth will be knowing when they're going to switch to Gengar or not so that you can safely explode on that Snorlax. That's the hard part. Welcome to Pokemon. Okay, it gets to the end and then crashes. So that's good to know. Is it populate list after filter? And for some reason, everyone is using Ninjask and I'll have hidden power bug. Well, that's because Silverwind sucks. Like the 10 BP matters. That's why everyone's using hidden power bug instead of Silverwind. And then just Ninjaska's baton. Is it a single baton pass is acceptable, right? So I mean, passing just protect and passing a +1 speed is good. Yeah, like why wouldn't you? Okay. Current is 634. I just switch Zapdos and Roar every time I see I intend to deal with that goofy shit. I mean, that's the correct answer. Is you immediately phase it out because if you don't, we will laugh at you when you get swept like that. You are doing the correct thing for sure. Still sucks to be in that situation. Okay, alphabetical. Is it Zoelius last? Ah. Okay, hold on. I think I'm getting it. So now. Okay, so it gets to the end. Do I do it at array count? Maybe I do it at array count. Array count. Sort order. Yeah, let's try that. Array. Array count. Sort order. Okay, let's do that. Oh, it's not constant. Duh. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay. So why does it where okay, when it crashes at 0, it doesn't even get down here. Okay, so let's try this. New loop. You know, me predicting is probably the reason Pokemon gave so boring Gen 9. It's just me and my opponent making safe plays 50 turns where we're both using balance tilting dies. One of us gets bored and makes the wrong play. If your style of play is you don't want to do that, because I think like what you're describing is like, I love that. Like, I just love boring my opponent into making a misplay. But yeah, if you want something more fast paced, then yeah, you have to advance the game state by putting them in an unsafe position with a prediction. So yeah, that totally makes sense. Okay. And then if current. And then populate. Okay, so now it's finished looping. Got it. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Oh, it finishes. Good to know. Okay, I forgot to say hi. You monster. How could you? Okay. Hmm. Set species. Ah, interesting. So it should never run. Yeah, what's the problem here? Populate list after filter should be fine, right? Yeah, if you're looking at species none, then continue. Okay. Set species current mon list. Okay. Why do you crash? Okay. That is an insane way to package it. Is that up your picture or something you saw online? Mons set. And then this one is still null set. You're not going to convince his. Yeah, I was trying to give him an out, Ruby. Like, yes, I hear you, but I was trying. Yeah, see, I just don't believe you. Yeah, Ruby, 100% hear you. Come on, man. Just let the man have his plausible deniability. Come on. Why you gotta out him like that in front of God and everybody? Damn, dude. The man has a family. Oh, God. I don't know the ice soup reference, and maybe that's for the best. Is this something I'm going to regret looking up? No, you won't. Okay. I'm looking at it now. It's a being broke reference. Oh, it's just being broke. Okay, got it. It must be new. Got it. Okay, I understand. Oh, you're having sleep for dinner because he got a Gardevoir plush. I see. Okay, understood. Yeah. I got there. I'm not that crusty. Oh. It crashes after the Mons and the Lister set? What the hell? Is it on reload? What is happening in populate list that could be so important? Populate. Interesting. Populate list after filter. What happens here? Okay. Okay, hold on. Change sort and reload. And then after populate list normally. Okay. I don't know cover letter, so all right. We'll be here. Peace. Actually, I might not be here. Today's going to be a short stream, but I'll see you around. Okay. Why do you crash? I don't understand. If it finishes just fine. Okay. Don't populate the list. Okay, wait. Change sort and reload. I'm doing that. And then this is Populate list after filter. Okay, so what does this do? Okay, then let's look at sort list. You look at how many Pokemon they make that are fully original per gen, as in not related to any other evolutionary line. Yeah, I would agree with that. It's not a bad thing. Like, I don't think we need more Pokemon at all. Like, we're good. We are all set for a long time. IMO. Maybe that's just me, but I think we're totally good. Calc and set. Interesting. And then in the sort version, is this? Yeah, this is the sort version. Okay, so this is populate list after filter, and I'm running that. Excuse me. Probably for the best way stuff if I win Kalos' big variation is barely any Pokemon. Yeah. It's about there's so much more that goes into a main series game. They see just enough Pokemon to like meaningful increase in number, but I feel like the best plays is Fuse, who like Hisui nails it, right? Like no one was complaining about the lack of new Pokemon in Legends Arceus. Right? Like had like what, 11 new Pokemon? We were fine. Nobody died. It was totally cool. Let's do more of that actually. Thanks. Okay, and then populate list after sort happens. Oh. Okay, I don't need that. I need populate list after filter. And then whenever I call populate list after it, what runs after populate list normally? Nothing, right? Calc and set number of Monroes. Okay, maybe I'll need that, but I doubt it. Just reload, right? Yeah. Okay. What am I missing then? I don't mind lacking new Pokemon either. Somehow I think around for the Pokédex feel like they all have the same layouts. Can you elaborate? I'm not sure what you mean. Like the custom, like the regional dexes in ROM hacks all are similar. I am not sure what you mean. Okay. Why are you crashing? Like if I'm playing a ROM hack, I'm probably finding Shinx in early game. It doesn't matter if I'm playing Hindokon, it's just there. I mean, isn't that a product of like there are just stronger Pokemon than others? Like if you need a not too strong early game electric type, there aren't many of those. Because I think ROM hackers like want type diversity even at the early game, and like it's hard to do a not overpowered ghost type, right? So like you're gonna have the samey ghost types in the early game. Like I think it's hard to fix that problem without like doing what you're doing, like rebalancing, so that mons play a different role and their strength changes. But yes, I agree. In every ROM hack, I'm expecting Shinx in an early route. Like, that's true. Yes. Okay. I also wonder how many people are influenced by their playthroughs of Pokemon. Like, oh, I had Shinx in the early game, so I have to make sure that my players have Shinx in the early game. Maybe. Hmm. Do I need this? What happens if I just got rid of this? Okay. If I just do S Pokédex lists current bomb list. Okay. S Pokédex lists current bomb. Okay. I had to make a decision not to do that. No, a lot of early game moves from Gen 5 Plus. I know I'm personally using the same. Yeah, I think that is like a conscious decision that you have to make, and I think you are thinking about something that most ROM hackers are not thinking about. So, like, you're right. But I think it takes like conscious effort to fix. And I think like you had to play a bunch of ROM hacks to even realize it was a problem. Like I think things will get better as time goes on as more people have these realizations, right? Oh, interesting. I don't think everyone used a Spritzy early game. Interesting. And I would ask you, would anybody want to? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we need more people like you on the front line screaming about this stuff. Yeah, I've never seen an early game Quillfish either, even though Quillfish sucks. But again, I think it like requires people like you who understand. Yes, 100%. I think this goes back to the thing I've been saying to you and Kaiser forever is like most ROM hackers aren't as good as you guys at Pokemon and do not understand like inherent strength. Like Quillfish is a great example. Like I've never seen Quillfish in the early game. You could absolutely give Quillfish away in the early game and it would make no difference to the game whatsoever. Quillfish would be less damaging to your game's internal meta than Magikarp would be. But Quillfish is always a good rod mid-game Pokemon, if not late game. Like I think players assume that like time to get Mon correlates with strength, and it does sometimes with Game Freak, but like Delmise, the 1% encounter you can't get till you have most of the trials done, sucks. Like Delmise is not doing anything for anybody. Come on, baby. Okay, so now if I do, evolution, and then can't evolve. If you put Spritzy on Route 3 or something, yeah, 100% agreed. But that's on you to fix, right? Oh, it did crash. What the hell? Okay, let's try it like this. Okay, come on. Okay. And then interesting. Oh. What the hell is going on? Okay, let me do that. Let me do Oh. Why is it going down? What the hell? I'm not touching anything. My hands... Okay, let me just recompile. It's cursed. Okay. Alright, cool. And now... Okay. So these are Pokemon unrelated to evolution in my dex. Okay. And now sort them alphabetically. Come on. Okay. Fine. So that just works. And then... Come on. Dondozo. Okay, is this all mons unrelated to evolution? It is. Yeah. Okay, and then... Okay, then the lightest ones are here. Okay, that just works. Interesting. Why did you freak out? And then it's gonna crash. Okay. What happens when I switch? Interesting. Okay. If I do... Interesting. It's only after I sort. Okay. And then if I go back... Ah, it's only after I sort. So something has happened when I press select and then it crashes. Okay, cool. What is happening when I press select? Okay. Okay, first let's test. If we take out all the debug ones. Okay, it's not you. Cool. Okay. Okay, if I do normal. Hell yeah. Okay, and if I do hasn't evolved and can't evolve. Okay. That's much faster. Hell yeah, brother. Okay. And then... Interesting. Oh, what is this? Oh, got it. Okay. Wait, why aren't you crashing now? Oh, that's annoying. Okay. And then... Cool. Wait, what the hell? Why is it not happening now? Okay, I was doing... Oh, no, it was heavy. Then I do evolution. And Then ugh, now I can't get it to crash. Of fucking course. No, why aren't you crashing now? Okay. All right, now we got to clean this shit up. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of you. Okay, we're gonna leave those in for now. We can get rid of that. Okay, get rid of those. Okay. Debug print active filters. This is just return. Okay. And then this is also just return. Okay. Okay. Oh, I cannot believe I can't get it to fucking crash now. This is very annoying. Okay, I think I did like a filter, a sort, another filter. And then let me turn off the normal type. Heavy. Has evolved, it can't evolve. Okay. Let's see. I was working on when I was buffing Bulbasaur. I noticed for some reason Bulbasaur about the King between the two, and Ivysaur views on 126. I'm just why is that a problem? Like, don't you want it so that like because it's harder to evolve Ivysaur to Venusaur, so don't you want a greater reward for evolving into Venusaur? That feels like an intentional design choice. All right, let's see. Let's see. Man, okay. If it's just working now, it's gonna bug me. I know I'm gonna find a fucking crash in like a year. Very annoying, but whatever. Okay, what is different so I can commit it? Let me just clean it up a little bit. Is it just sort list? Yeah. And then I changed that. Okay, so C tags. Okay, let's see. This is actually fine. That doesn't need to exist. Okay. Welcome back, Ruby. You were missed. Ruby is indeed back. Praise up. Bless up. Yo. Okay. I don't love the for loop in a for loop. Yeah, I don't love this. Okay. What am I thinking? Get the sort. And then check if we're reverse sorting. Reset the whole list. Okay. Current sort order. Okay. Okay, we have current, we have list index, another index. Okay, hold on. So we want sort index, then we need mon index. Okay. And this is current mon. Okay. Current is now current mon. Okay. And list index is now sort index. And mon index. No. Another index. What a terrible name. Oh, whoops. I was in skip mode. Okay. Another index is now mon index. Or like this. Okay. Current mon. Oh. Mon. Got it. Got it. Okay. Get. Okay. Get. No. It's and you, and then yes, a standard leaf turtle simply is enough. What up, Dirtius? Long time no talk. How you been? Actually, my chat isn't. Good morning. I'm fantastic. Is it morning for you? Wait, we're on the same coast. How is it morning for you? or are you telling me you just woke up? Got it. Okay. All right. Fair enough. I was like, wait a fucking minute. Like, I know where you live. It's not morning. Run button players. We're getting this to pick yeah. How you been? Long time no talk. Okay. Species. Get current mon list. Okay. Filtered list equals. Yep. Okay. And then run this line. Okay. And breakout. Okay. Good news today. My job got me Chipotle. Nice. What was the occasion? Like what? Why? I'm not, I'm definitely the Super Bowl, I guess. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, what, you had to work the Super Bowl, so they're like, here's Chipotle? All right, whatever. Sure, fine. Take it, I guess. Certainly of interest. Okay. You can get rid of that. And then we can get rid of that. Okay. And we can get rid of that. Okay. Bond index. There's got to be a more efficient way to write that. Okay, that's not bad at all. It has not been a great year so far at Life Happens. It's just had a theme so far. How are you? I'm sorry that it has not been great, but it's only been a month, so maybe hopefully here's hoping another 11 months for you are better. Good. I'm fantastic. On the contrary, like life's good for me. Just programming away, like no major strife. Nothing. I mean, there like sure there are things I could complain about, but like why? For what? They fired one of my coworkers like 30 minutes before Chipotle arrived, which is a devilish amount of pettiness. Holy shit, that is insanely petty. Wow, that's crazy. That's unhinged levels of petty. Holy shit, dude. Your job, just a casual reminder, your job doesn't give a shit about you. Holy fucking shit, dude. That is brutal. Big yikes. Okay, now the question is, the guy who got fired, like shitty coworker, good coworker, like where does this person rank for you? Um Interesting. Mon index. No, I love them. Oh no, I'm sorry, dog. It's fucked up. Okay. Continue. And then don't. Oh no, we do want it to break because. Do we want it to break? Yeah, I do want it to break. Okay, and then. If not, then continue. Okay, whoop. And then we can get rid of those. And I can get rid of this. Oh, wait, no, that's not what we want at all. Whoops. Interesting. Now, I guess that stays there. But does that ever happen? The Chipotle is going to show up with their last paycheck. Don't worry, they're going to mail him a bowl. Oh, no. It's diabolical. Yeah, I'm super sorry that you lost your coworker, buddy. That is the absolute worst. Having had many a coworker laid off before my eyes or fired, like I know that pain. The part that says sorry you got Chipotle laid off. I've never heard that as a verb, but here we are. First time for everything, I guess. Okay, I actually don't need that check at all. Okay. Get sort order. Okay. It could have been laid off. Doesn't work with the story. I agree that it does not work. They're not in Hawaii, so yes. Oh, Chipotle. Yeah. Okay. It took me a second. You're just more clever than me. That's all. Which I feel like we've previously established on this program that PSF is not the most clever of dudes. He's just a dude. That's fine. I don't need to be. Okay, we're gonna just eat this entirely. It's just one cycle. Okay. It was more of a Dar's mind. Those places mind refuses travel to. I mean, yes, maybe that's it. My mind does not go to puns. You're right. Never and never will. Fine. It could be that. It could also just be PSF's not clever, which is fine. Again, not mad about it. I know what I'm good at. I have some things I was put in this earth to be, and clever isn't one of them, and that's fine. I'm not mad. I'm not ashamed. It is what it is. Oh, I did think it was unusually dark in here. My partner just came in and notified me the dimmer was on. No, I was installing the cable on my computer earlier, and I was like, "Why is it so hard to see?" I swear to God, babe, I was like, "Am I getting too old? Like, can I just not see as good?" Yeah, it's not empty. Oh shit. Oh, I also made coffee earlier and forgot to drink it, so that's cool. But I should not drink coffee at 8:50 p.m. Like an hour ago, like after Esmeralda left. Yeah,
It's empty.
yeah. I should not drink that.
Yeah.
Oh well. Just made a coffee, just left it. Didn't drink it like an idiot. All right. Let's see. What a banger. All right, I'm gonna try to leave at 9, so I'm gonna play only bangers until I'm out of here. Let's play some. Does X and Y have bangers? I think it does. Let's see. We'll do you. We'll do you. We'll do you. We'll do you. You have an only bangers? Yes. Yes, absolutely. All right, let's just use some Sun and Moon bangers, and then when these are up, I'll get out of here. Okay. And then sort. Okay, this works. Okay, a group flying. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just the little burbs. The slow burbs. All right, and now let's see what changed. Okay. I keep forgetting the Game Freak nerf Cresselia. I forgot Game Freak nerf Cresselia. I assume after Gen 6. Yeah, I think if memory serves, Cresselia got nerfed because in doubles, not because of singles. It got nerfed in Gen 9. Okay, I know it was late. I know it was way after it got introduced. Yeah, so it was definitely because of doubles by that point. Yeah, it is funny when old Pokemon get nerfs. It's even funnier when Pokemon get frame 1 or like frame 2 nerfs, like Mega Kanga and Aegislash. They're like, oh, we completely fucked up. Because actually, that's I was gonna say because Calyrex sells DLC, but Cresselia sells Legends Arceus. So you're actually right. It is weird. I mean, is Shadow Rider are the Calyrex forms like dominating competitive right now? I know Shadow Rider is like absolutely still goaded, but like no one gives a fuck about Ice, right? Yeah, let's look at Pikalytics. Why did I go incognito? Pikalytics. Ice is getting used more. Oh, for a trick room? Oh shit, you're right. Ice is up here. Shadow. Okay, so they're still both insanely busted. By the way, great background dance. He's great. Before I forget. Oh, thank you. I mean, I do like Mega Diancie, but my background is just from a folder of Pokemon key art. So when I just hit next, it doesn't work all the time. When I hit next, come on. Okay, it's supposed to update. I swear it changes every 15 minutes. So by the time before the stream is over, Diancie will be gone. Urshifu being Urshifu, yeah, yeah. As he do be. Added sort list. Why not nerf Ursh? Because they don't see a problem. Like that again, we're selling stuff. My Diancie background tax. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cute as fuck. Let's go C3 backgrounds. Oh, let's go ZHS. Hell yeah. ZSH Warriors in the chat. Mac Unix, baby. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, they're not going to nerf Urshifu when they don't see a problem with Urshifu. Totally fine to hit through protect. It's totally cool. It's fine. What do you complain about? You better. Okay, so we've removed that, added sort lists, changed sorting to only look at ones that are already filtered. Okay, and then removed extra debug print calls. Okay, and then I was looking for Diancie art and I got this instead. Oh no, what? Dude, the genies and the musketeers as one. Oh my god. What's Cobalion? It would be like justified prankster. That's not so bad. This is absurd. This is peak. That means Enamorous rides Keldeo. Yep. Yes, it does. So what is that? I actually don't know what Enamorous's ability is. I forget. Cute Charm. Swift Swim Cute Charm isn't that bad. Or Contrary. Contrary Swift Swim isn't bad either. I just can't believe they made as one. Like with their fucking chest, they're just like, yeah, we're gonna do that. Like what? How insane. Oh, actually, Awakeon, did I show you the one new ability in my game? I can't remember if I showed you this. I did it a while ago, but I think it was off stream. It's just one. Here, spoilers to my game's final boss fight. Let me find it. Will this link work here? I wonder. Let's see. Yeah, if you're watching the stream, you gotta be an Archie's. Actually, I'll just post it. It's fine. What the hell? I'll be inclusive. Why not? If that link works for you. If it doesn't, you gotta hold that. But I think it's particularly funny and evil. It does more. Keep watching. Okay, I pushed that. Yeah, I know, right? Like, I cannot wait for someone to encounter that on stream. I'm like looking forward to watching that. Yeah, it's just Beast Boost. It's Beast Boost and Intrepid Sword, and it's the old Intrepid Sword, not the new one. Yeah, I'm greatly looking forward to somebody running into that. Like you do a bad like they switch in, you do a bad predict and they just wipe you out. They have +2 whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. It's the only new content. It's that and the megas I've shown you before. That's it. No other new mons. No new mons, no new abilities, no new moves at all. Literally just this. But I just think it's gonna be funny, so I'm gonna do it. If they can do as one, I can do. This is basically as one, Ultra Beast Edition. Okay. Oh, I was looking at other to-dos. I don't care. Okay, that is gone now. I'm not doing that. Okay, not doing that. Field UI for user scrolling. Okay, okay, Blitzel category. Let's look into that. Okay, filter down. Its type is electric, and I'll do alphabetical sort. Blitzel. Electrified. Okay. Category. Add line breaks to category. Okay, and prepend. Okay. Just gonna do this now. Text, okay. Let's see. Okay. Why aren't I just using string var 3? I think my favorite new ability is Game Freak May Assault Cure. Wait, why not Good as Gold? Yeah, I feel like Good as Gold is just funnier Salt Cure. No, yeah, Salt Cure is the attack. I know what you meant though. It's Salt Cure and Good as Gold are both hilarious. Supreme Overlord is also hilarious. Like, oh, you're playing the game correctly? Yeah, go fuck yourself. That will never not be funny to me. Like, like Supreme Overlord is anti-player behavior if I've ever seen it. Like, anti-singles behavior at that too. It's just like so clearly designed to fuck over singles players. Like they're not even trying to hide their complete disdain. Yeah. The fact that the fact that you're saying not that dominant, I think like says everything, right? Like nothing should be that good to begin with, but here we are. Yeah, I think it's the funniest fucking shit. Okay. Okay, first of all, can this just be G string var 3? G string bar 3. Okay. G string bar 3. Okay. Let's try that. Let's start there. What up, Kit? I still think it should have been banned. Look, I think Smogon singles players, Pokemon will be wearing G strings confirmed. Yes, absolutely. I think singles players have a very hard problem in Gen 9 of figuring out, like, what do I do here? Like, how do I handle this? Like, I don't, yeah, I think Terra also should have been banned, but I think, like, the backlash from banning Dynamax still is, like, scarring people, you know? So, like, I don't blame them for not making any actions, but there's probably, like, 6 things that I would change tomorrow. But it's not an easy problem to solve, you know? Okay, I can get rid of text now. Cool. I'm starting to think that banning Terra would require other things. Oh, I have the exact opposite opinion. I think if they had banned Terra from the jump, we wouldn't have had to ban as... Like, there are so many things that got banned because they're so overwhelming with Terra. Like, I don't think Terra is, like, holding the metagame together. Like Jirachi is in Gen 4, right? Okay. Where's text? There it is. Okay. And then prepend for ID. This is now 3. And okay, how do I get end? End is it here? Yeah, probably. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, whoops. End. Okay. Okay, so U8 star end. I'm still stun locked on why is my new battle type despite the battle icon? The icon's being a little problem. I move on map and won't let that one though I fix it. Kid, there are like so many bugs that I just like left for a year and had a shower thought and came back and fixed it. Like I think one of the biggest lessons I learned is like you can come back to it later. Just leave it to do in the file and fucking come back to it later. So it's good that you moved on to mapping though. I think that's good that you like aren't banging your head against it. I'd say a good amount of Pokemon are kept in check by the fact that you can just Terra Fairy, Terra Dark, or Terra Ghost to avoid a certain threat. I'll take your word for it because I don't play Gen 9. But every ban I hear about, it's like, here's all these reasons we banned it. Also, Terra breaks it. But then again, that is very much outside looking in perspective. Okay, so then end, font ID. Okay. Honestly, ban Terra and also ban shit like Zama and Roaring Moon. I mean, again, there's a bunch of things you could do, but I think they're in a very tough position. I've had the code reviewed. The fact that Zama came back is a war crime. Is it that Zama came back or Zama came back buffed? I've had the code reviews. No one knows the problem. It's not really what's worrying about until I have an alpha test candidate, which is not soon. Exactly. 100. That is the correct attitude to have. More people need your attitude. 100,000%. Okay. What is the width of this box? Get window attribute is... And then what window am I looking at? How is this allowed in OU? Dude, Darkrai is an OU, okay? Like, I don't fucking know. I don't make the rules. Like, an item slot is a lot. And yet still. Wait, is the hero form, it isn't allowed, right? Or crown form? Yeah, yeah. Hero is allowed in OU, but not crowned. So it gets an item slot. Yeah. Like I think that makes it better. It's like fuck the shield. I can do all sorts of wild shit now. I don't have a good answer for you. Again, I don't play Gen 9 OU. Like I'm sure those players have a good answer for you, but not me. I'm not here to act like I know, but I think that's a perfectly valid question. Gen 7 OU, my love. How do I hear everything about the Tiering Council? This isn't the Tiering Council. The Tiering Council and the people who ban stuff are two different entities. And usually the players that are voting to ban stuff are the people playing the game. Like, I am playing basketball and I want to ban 3-point shots. Like, it's not like some benevolent god tier or a god person came down and said, no, you will not have fun. Like, it's the players all saying this is not fun. Has a wide move pool, can use many sets, outspeeds everything in tier except for Dragon Ball. What a great sentence. His heart close combat or broadly pass benefits from Terra a lot. You can even count it to, sounds like Terra. Another problem. Curious. I need to close parentheses here. I mean, Wait, especially offensive Zamazenta. That is, I mean, it is. Yeah, okay, I can see why that would work. Obnoxious, but I get it. Okay, so now it fits for sure. But I want to do it after the line breaks. Print species. Add line breaks. Interesting. I was very close to putting Terra in my hack, not gonna lie. The whole idea is broken balance, making everything equally viable. The issue comes into the idea if you give too many tools, it may trivialize the game too much. This is coming from D&D, but whatever the players have in your kit is free game for you to use in your kit. I agree with that. Well, Ruby, I think the difference between D&D and Pokemon is in D&D, the AI in that instance is a human, which can match another human strategically, but the problem is that the game's AI will never be as good as a human. Whereas D&D, you're playing against a person. Like I think that is a valid point, but if the AI could be as good as a person, then you would be right. Yeah. Yeah, Radical Red is also a good example of fuck your tools. I have stronger things than you. Okay, why does it evaluate the... Also, Red has literally every giving Pokemon to play with. I mean, we're already nearing that point with Pocky cooked up recently. We're not even close to that point, I promise you. As somebody very closely following what Pocky and Alex work on, we are nowhere, like, no shot. Like, the fact that, like, I would love to see proven wrong, but, like, Run and Bun is relatively recent, and it's still, like, bodying, or, getting bodied. Or limit, yeah, no, the latter is how I think you have to do it in Pokemon. Yeah, I think limiting the player's tools is exactly the way you have to go about it in Pokemon, and just like make the enemies more powerful to make up for the knowledge. Like not only are humans smarter, humans have total knowledge, and unless you have that omniscient flag on, the AI will always be playing catch up against you, whereas you can just look up their team. Yeah, it's a hard problem to solve for sure. But the D&D comparison is a good one. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm not saying that's a bad call. It's just like I think it's more complicated than that. Okay. And line breaks the category. I wonder if I do that. Writing about is still fine to me because they removed all the immunity abilities in the game except Volta later because of mana. That is funny. I did not know that. That's actually very funny. They all fit now, so maybe it's fine. Yeah, I'll just leave it for now. Okay. Got category to fit in allotted space. The main way I'm trying to make it more challenging, keep it challenging, but also giving players some sort of tools is through limiting access to certain quality of life enhancements that most difficulty has. Like, IV editing will be unlocked via Pokédex completion, so challenge writers can't get it till late game. Yeah, I think that's also I think that falls under the umbrella of limiting tools, right? Like, I will just take away the ability for you to have good IVs. Although, in that specific case, Kit, doesn't that just like, aren't you explicitly telling players if you want good IVs, you have to do it the old-fashioned way? Like, you have to breed for it. Like, you're not taking away the tool; you're just making it harder to get. When it comes to design like that, I really want to put Unbound under a microscope since it feels like it's about 80% in terms of striking the balance between limited and wide tools. I think I agree with that. I think I agree with that. That's what Unbound does too, actually just making it harder to get. Yeah, that's a good point. Not necessarily, again, no lockers can't breed regardless, but locking behind catching 100 years of Pokemon doesn't make it inaccessible for the casual player. Oh, you said Pokedex completion. So I was thinking, like, you have to finish the dex, which basically means you can't have it. I think 100 Pokemon is fine. Yeah, I get it. Okay, yeah. Totally understood. I also accept that my hack will be easy to beat, but it won't be easy to Nuzlocke because gyms multiple backs to backs, and people seem to ban set up moves on Nuzlocke. I think that's also a perfectly good goal. Like, I'm making a game for Nuzlockers, and therefore my game will be hard to Nuzlocke. I think that's more than valid. Okay, I think I'm finally done with the filters. I think, well, aside from graphical stuff, but I think, like, everything is working. All right, Awakeon, you are the target user for the filters, so give me something to search. Let's try to break it. Garganackle. No, I mean, give me some things to put in the filter. Or tell me what to look for to find Garganackle. Let's try that game. Oh, that was a mistake. Oops. Let me just. Okay. Probably abilities, since that's a good point. Okay, let's see. So, ability, and then we'll go to purifying salt. Okay. Ta-da! Uh-oh. Found a bug. Why is it... Uh-oh. All right, you've helped me find a bug. Congrats. Cool. All right, I'm not done. I think I know what it is, too. Yeah. Is it just... Oh, no, it's Let's see. Type normal. Interesting. Is it just Garganacl? Or is it any Pokemon? Let's see. Okay. Purifying Salt. Interesting. Ah, and you crash. Okay. Why do you crash is the question. The only way to get EVs from vitamins and wings. Interesting. I've seen this a couple times. It fascinates me. Does it only happen when you get... Okay. Interesting. Okay. It's the only... If I get something that's less than 4 Pokemon, it does not like that. Why is that? Is the problem... Okay, so 4 Pokemon it also... Oh! What the hell? What changed? Okay, hold on. That is weird as hell. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm considering a challenge mode patch where the EVs aren't available. EV items aren't available at the same time. A player who wants to ban EVs can do so to have a hard experience of fight traffic. Why a patch? You could just make that a mode, right? Like, if the player toggles us on, the IV items just don't work. Yeah, I just feel like that's less work for you. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. If I go up. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so again, the purifying salt. Okay. Oops. Interesting. Oh. That is of interest. I know what's happening. I'm not resetting. Okay. Okay. I think I know what's going on. I look forward to cooking up teams, particularly for the post game girls post game. That would make a main game. I do love that. The decision is whether or not challenge mode removes EVs from enemy trainers. I think I should keep it. Yeah, I agree that they should keep it. Is that a one-hit KO focus punch? Oh, it's a sticker. That's funny. I'm unsure what this post game looks like for me, but they're definitely going to be dev bosses, possibly Legend Hunter, Hunter Legends. Yeah, a future you problem, but I get it. Okay, I think I'm not resetting the list position correctly. But it shouldn't matter, especially when I'm at the beginning. Okay. And... Oh. No one used Gen 3, which is fascinating because Tyranitar's goated. That is weird. Yeah, I don't know why. But you're also in lower ladder still, right? So that could just be it. Ah, okay. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think people find Curse Like's more fun than DDT Tar, which is wild in and of itself. Okay, yeah, I'm not resetting my position correctly. Ah, I need to look at the... Okay. Reset. Okay, so let's do populate, list, and then populate. Okay. So when I run that... Ah, okay. If I do purifying salt, aha, and then it jumps me to the top. No Battlefront tier, 0 out of 10. I like PYWT, but I'm putting what you if a trade isn't a hack anyway. No Battlefront. I can't believe Game Freak did that. Maybe I'll rework the Battle Frontier to have the Unova E4 as Frontier Brains. That would be fun. Yeah, I can't believe ORS had this right here. Like, that is just disrespectful, dude. Like, damn. To just call out Scott like that, it's fucked up. Okay, populate list. Cal can reset rows. Apply filters and reload. Oh, no, that's not what we want. My PD is going to be these from other happens in the mainline games. Ooh, that sounds fun. How do hacks apply to be part of that list? I would love to be in on that. That sounds super cool. When I like them. Fair enough. Okay. I'll earn a slot for sure. Reset. Okay, actually, what happens if... Does the bug go away if I just do that? Generally, I want to do iconic original region hacks. Let me grab a tentative list. Okay. I mean, I am an original region hack. But again, I will earn it. That still sounds sick, though. Oh, nice. Okay. Are you going to have 9 facilities? Oh, this is the short list. Got it. Okay, understood. Okay, that doesn't make it go away. I'm going to take 4. Ah, okay. So you have to figure out, okay, what are your most interesting 4? Okay. All right, that makes sense to me. Okay. Where? Okay. Change, sort, and reload. Okay. Update on-screen species ID. That's fine. Reset current position. And then the other 2 are up here, right? Oh, no, they're down here, actually. Yeah. But you're doing both of them. Second lunch break? Damn. That's kind of cool. Having 2 tune-ups to play around is very exciting. I agree. A lot of freedom, a lot of cool shit you can do. Just showing off those 2 new types is exciting in and of itself, so I get it. Okay, now I said I was going to bed half hour ago, and then I ran into this bug, and now I'm like obsessed. Yeah, you should shut them off. 100% agreed. Ability. Oh, only one of them ran? Why is that? This is Boop 1, and this is Boop 2. Get filter change flag. Okay, I think I got it. 5 a.m. Oh, yeah, the fact that they make kids get up so early is criminal, dude. Alright. Purifying salt. Boop 2 ran twice. Why? Oh no, Boop 1 never ran. Can I just do this? Because that's where it actually changes, right? I guess that's normal, but guess not. Poor souls. No, it is not normal at all. Not even a little bit, dude. Hell yeah, fixed it. Also, that sounds like absolute pain. 1 a.m. for work. I mean, I assume you work just weird hours or whatever. Yeah, I am curious what job you have now. If you don't want to dox yourself. If you work at like a bakery or something, I guess I get it. Also, why are you awake now? Unless you don't work tomorrow. Okay. Ability. All right, I fixed the bug, Awakeon. Thank you for pointing that out. Doing the Lord's work. I'm gonna be tired of shit by the time we do have to leave for work. Yeah, I can only imagine, dude. Parabolic charge. Cool. Okay, perfect. All right. Awakeon, one more, and then if it works, I'll go to bed. If we do one and it doesn't break, then we'll do it, and then we're going to bed. All right, Klotzer. Okay, so what? Just look for Mega Launcher, or do you want to do something more esoteric? Also, I don't know if Mega Launchers. I don't know if Klotcher's in my decks. I legitimately don't remember. Yeah, what are we searching to get to Klotzer? Do more than just Mega Launcher, just so I make sure that this is working. All right, I can do color. Klotcer's blue. Okay. Okay. Fuck it. Terrain pulse. Wait, what? Okay, blue Pokemon that have terrain pulse. Let's see. I don't think there's gonna be any results. Oh, I don't. Yeah, no one in my decks has terrain pulse, so it doesn't even come up here. Oh, is it a move? My bad. Terrain pulse. Okay. Yeah, there are no Pokemon that are blue in my decks that learn Terrain Pulse. Are there any mons that learn Terrain Pulse in my decks at all? I think is the question I want to ask. I think the answer is no. Ah! Cool. The Olive family. Cool. It works. Alright, the Olive family that has evolved and can evolve should only return one Pokemon. Hell yeah. Alright, cool. She works. All right, I'm gonna commit this. Okay, fixed bug where turning a small. Thank you very much. My graphic designer is the coolest dude on the fucking planet. Returning a small number of Pokemon would misalign the cursor and overflow out of bounds. Simple but elegant. Yes, he's really, really good at what he does. Meanwhile, I want to work on a skin of the Pokédex plus UI. I'm scared of exploding everything. What are you scared of? Just make a copy of the Pokédex plus UI and change the colors. And if you break it, you have the original one to go back to. Like, just literally copy the file. So that there's, and just rename everything to like Pokédex plus 2 or like Pokédex minus. And then if you know it works, you delete the original and copy that in. Like that's the Pokédex you're looking at is literally that. Like I did the exact same thing. So that's how I know it works. Also, you have Git. Like just roll back, you know? Okay, now I think filters are actually done. Finally. Oh wait, Kian, how long have I been working on these fucking filters for? Probably since like Halloween, right? Literal months, yeah. But now I can work on the actual fucking Pokedex. Because you see, chat, I worked on the hardest part first, which I knew would be the filters. But now I need to work on this stuff. Like, okay, now I need the actual fucking Pokedex pages. Like, all of this nonsense now. Which is doable. I've still yet to code filtering for Peach and Lion Pokedex UI. Me trying to understand RC by the end of last year. I mean, you did. You nailed it. You were very helpful with the RTC stuff, so thank you. Mudskip, I'll make a trade with you. I'll let you can just have my filtering in exchange for something else. Yes, you can also just edit the palette directly. That's correct. Yeah, Mudskip, I'm dead serious. If you're interested in a trade, I'm happy to do that. Hit me up. Now that you have you just got a live demo, you know it fucking works. And you have a first-hand account of how long it took. Okay. All right, that's committed. I think we're at a good point. I don't need an answer now. Like, zero pressure. Do what you want. I was just offering because you're a friend and I know how hard it is. Sleep on it. Whatever. No big deal. I think I'm going to get the hell out of here, though. I think I'm going to go to bed. I think I'm at a good stopping point. And then next stream, which will probably be Thursday. Almost certainly. I would love to grab a better reference. But what would you like to exchange? I don't know what Peach and Lime has. So yeah, we should talk. Yeah, I have no idea what Peach and Lime has available. We should yes, we should chat that on DM. I agree. Like ideally, it's a feature that I haven't done yet that I'm going to do that you have already done. Sick. Okay. Yeah. Let's talk. Also, wait. You're the graphic artist for Peach and Lime, right? Various people, and I asked because I like Peach and Lime's art, and so I would also be open to an art for code trade. Like, I'll give you my filtering, or I'll build your filter, and I get some art from you. That would also be super beneficial. So yeah, we can definitely work something out for sure. All right, I'll ping you later. I'm gonna go to bed though. Great talking to everybody. Good lively chat. I will probably, unless something happens, I'll be back Thursday, and I will start working on the information pages, which should be a good time. Have a nice night, y'all. Peace.